Hey guys, Farhan here. I just wanted to make a very quick video. Not a quick video. I just wanted to make a video where I would attempt trying to make a very rudimentary to-do list in React and in as less time as possible. I initially got this idea when I saw Nick White do it on his channel, so I just thought, why not give it a try? So I'm gonna get started with that. So I'm gonna be timing myself with this. There's this app called a tiny stopwatch. It's available on Mac. You can download it from the App Store. I have a basic create React app application set up already. It's hosted on my localhost 3000. So I guess I'll start working on it. So I'm gonna cd into the directory first. Now I'm gonna open the directory. I'm going to go to app.js. I'm gonna remove all the boilerplate, not all the boilerplate code, and I don't need these parts of the code. So I am going to have a to-do list component, which I'm gonna make in a jiffy. So I'm gonna import it. So first, because I always forget to do that. And now I'm gonna make a to-do list.js. Here I'm gonna write my component. I'll probably use the use state hook to make this application. I'm not gonna use a class-based component. So it's React. It's React. Yeah. So I'm gonna call to-do list. I'm gonna render an empty div for now, and I'm gonna export default the to-do list. Okay, so what we first need is some kind of tracker to track the data in the text box. So I'm gonna call this task text, and I'm gonna set task text, and it's gonna be set to an empty string initially. And apart from this, we need a list of tasks. So this is going to be const list and another thing to set list, and this is going to be an empty array because we're going to have an array of tasks. Okay, got it. So now that this is done, so we can go ahead and make a text box, type an input field of type text, whose value is the task text, and it changes with respect to whatever value is being typed out in the input field. So this is going to be set task text of e.target.value. So this is going to take care of our of tracking the data in the input field. And we also want a button which is going to add a task to our list, right? And we want to render all the tasks below the input field. So I'm gonna see if there are any items in the list. If there are items in the list, I'm gonna map through all of those. I'm gonna map through all of those guys, and I am going to render a p tag with the name of the task. Yeah, I think this should do, right? And now I want to be able to add a task. So I want an on submit button. This is going to add the current task into our list of tasks. So this is going to get the existing list plus our current task and a completed value, and it's going to be false initially because, let's be honest, who finishes a task on a to-do list? Alright, so now that this is done, I think we should be able to add tasks, or maybe not. What's wrong? Alright, Yeah, we haven't wired up the on click here, so this is gonna call the on submit. Now we should be able to add as many tasks as we want. Perfect. So the next thing we're gonna do is we want to be able to cross out tasks. So I have I'm gonna go past 5 minutes. Okay, cool. So okay, I'm gonna wire up an on click to this p tag here, right? I don't know if this is the optimal way to do it, but what the hell, I'm just gonna I'm just gonna go ahead with it. So I'm gonna filter out all the tasks except for this one. I'm gonna filter that by name, I think. Yeah, that should be good enough. So I'm just gonna say const tasks should be equal to all the tasks in the list. I'm gonna filter them. I'm gonna get a list of all the tasks except this one. So that's gonna be list element dot name should not be equal to item dot name. Alright, so this should return a list of all tasks, which are all the other tasks. Now I want to append a new object to this, which is gonna have the name, which is gonna have the name of the task, so item dot name, and the completed toggle should be the inverse of whatever it is. I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but and I'm gonna set list tasks. Okay, so let's just go to the logic ones. The completed toggle is gonna just flip the switch on it. Yeah, I think this should work. So I'm gonna add make to do. I'm gonna add it. Oh yeah, I didn't make any visual indication yet. Okay, so I'm gonna add a style to this. I'm gonna go for the text decoration style. If item dot completed, if it is completed, I want a line through it. Otherwise I don't want anything to happen, right? Yep, so I think we're done. How long did it take me? It took me 7 minutes. Make to do 1. I'm just gonna test it out. Make to do 2. Yep. Okay, it isn't the best one out there, but then hey, it works. Alright guys, that was a quick to-do list in 7.5 minutes, I guess. So I'll meet you guys with more videos like this. I don't know, let's see. Thanks for watching.